How are you guys? According to recent news, Faisal will be here this fall. The latest rumor is concerning that this year's prices for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will increase. The most recent information, including prices and features, is available here. Please view the entire video. Apple will unveil a brand new series of iPhone 14 models with updated features like an always-on display, and it turns out for the first time a mono side camera. The processors on the iPhone 14 Pro will differ from the current model. Based on reliable Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, this year there won't be any improvements for the processor in the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max. This indicates that the Apple A15 Bionic processor will remain in these devices. iPhone 13 model line. However, an improved processor will be given to the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max. The new Apple A16 SoC is anticipated to be used in these two products. As we continue to await the results of the actual tests, our roadmap for the TSMC supplier to Apple suggests that the A15 Bionic SoC will be produced using the same 5nm process as the A16. The pricing of the new iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will be high. We have long heard that the new iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max could see their prices inflated by at least $100 this year, thereby breaking the $999 mark as the starting price of the Pro iPhone. A new leak reiterates the same, saying that Apple's flagship iPhone are going to be expensive by $100 this year, based on information shared by a tipster who goes by the name of Grex. It is said that the iPhone 14 Pro could start at $1,099, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max could start at $1,199. This was on par with the previous two leaks that also indicates a price of $1,099 for the base of the iPhone 14 Pro. The biggest upgrade is going to be the camera, which will finally see Apple ditch the 12 megapixel sensor in favor of a larger 48 megapixel image sensor. A bigger sensor should provide better details, as have been the case with the high-resolution Android flagships, better low-light photography. The display is another area that will undergo significant alteration. The controversial notch will be removed from the iPhone 14 Pro models. The display is anticipated to include an up 2.0 OLED panel in place of a pill and a complete cutaway to contain the front camera and the Face ID sensor. This could enable the display to reduce its refresh rate to as little as 1 Hz, enabling Apple to introduce an always-on display feature to the iPhone, which could always display the new lock screen within the iOS 16 design. Keep in mind that Apple has not yet confirmed any of these rumors. Therefore, you should hold off until the official Apple launch. Which is scheduled of September 2022. That's all for now. To stay updated, please visit our YouTube channel. Until the next video, take excellent care of yourself and live.